Want to create a sphere like this? Stay until the end and find out how. Good day everyone, and welcome to a new video tutorial. Today we will learn how to create the perfect sphere. To start, we will select a circle and assign it an arbitrary radius, for example 150. Once we've done that, we'll select the circle's surface and use the command M+Control to display a plus next to the cursor. Then we'll grab the circle's edge, and it's crucial to raise the copy of the circle to the same height as its radius, which is 150, and press Enter. After drawing this, we'll select the copy of the circle and rotate it 180 degrees. We'll use the Rotate command and press the left arrow key on the keyboard to bring up the green protractor. Next, we'll find the center of the circle and rotate it 180 degrees. Then we'll select the edge of the original circle we drew and use the Follow Me option. And there you have it. Magic.